Why we recommend Amana heat pumps. At Twintech Heating Cooling, we're committed to helping homeowners in the Durham region find the perfect comfort solution. When customers ask us which heat pump brand we trust most, we often recommend Amana heat pumps, and for good reason. Proven reliability you can count on. When you choose an Amana heat pump, you're getting a system built to last. Amana is known for its legendary durability and high-quality components, including advanced compressors and all-aluminum coils. These features mean fewer breakdowns and a longer lifespan for your investment, something every homeowner can appreciate. Energy efficiency that saves you money. Heating and cooling costs can add up quickly, especially during Canadian winters and humid summers. Amana heat pumps are designed with high SEER and HSPF ratings, ensuring they run efficiently and help you save on your monthly energy bills. Many models are Energy Star certified, meaning they meet or exceed government standards for energy efficiency. Quiet comfort for your home. Nobody wants a noisy system disrupting their home environment. Amana heat pumps are engineered with quiet operation technology, so you can enjoy consistent comfort without the constant hum of loud equipment. This is especially important for homes with bedrooms near outdoor units. Excellent warranties for peace of mind. Amana offers some of the best warranties in the industry, including a lifetime unit replacement limited warranty on many of their premium models. At Twintech Heating Cooling, we pair this with our professional installation service to give you confidence that your system is protected for years to come. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the best heat pump needs expert installation to perform at its peak. Our certified Twintech technicians follow manufacturer specifications and best practices to ensure your Amana heat pump delivers optimal efficiency and comfort from day one. The Twintech Heating Cooling difference. Choosing Twintech means you get more than just great equipment. You get a trusted local partner. We offer transparent pricing, honest advice, and ongoing support so you feel confident in your decision. If you're considering a heat pump upgrade in the Durham region, Amana is a smart choice, and Twintech Heating Cooling is here to make the process simple and stress-free.